Today, we're making New York pizza. It is my favorite. And thankfully, with the Smart Oven Pizzaiolo, you don't have to be in New York to eat it. In under 9 minutes, I can create it in my very own kitchen. I'm gonna show you how. First, you'll need to insert the pizza stone into the oven cavity and turn the style dial to the New York setting. The time dial lights will illuminate with the recommended time for this setting. You can adjust the time by turning this dial. You'll notice the temp light starts to flash, which indicates that the oven is preheating. Once the temp light stops flashing and stays on, the oven is ready for use. We'll use the pizza peel to place the pizza directly on the pizza stone, but don't use the peel if you're using the pizza pan. But we're not, so we can pop it right in. Now, press the time dial to start the countdown timer. The heat profile for this setting is designed to achieve the iconic New York pizza. It ensures the toppings and crust are evenly browned and the pizza has that folded in half and eat it finish. Another handy tip when cooking any type of pizza is to make sure that your oven is preheated before placing the pizza into the oven. If you're cooking multiple pizzas, wait until the At Temp light turns solid before loading your next pizza. And if you're cooking different types of pizzas, be sure to start with the type that uses the lowest temperature. At the end of the cooking cycle, the oven alert will sound, and the dial lights will flash and then go out. You can now remove your pizza. So guys, should we fold the pizza in half? Because, that's how they do it in New York.